me no me jitum se madin kwase asem ba nyame adom omo de kɔ no so na low self na me say there is esteem or no esteem
what you be there na wan tie ba ko dia ya twa so
oh KOFI yere oh wonderful person
Ghanaians don't want to see you tell them you have sinned. Ghanaians want you to cover your sins
and condone the sins.
Because KOFI akura we are far yeah me ya teri ene kwame na ene dia di watam dia na nyasam keto.
Me I was bold to say because it is my past and I don't ever have a plan so I'll revisit my past.
And then a wife and an emma and an echo praise be. It was her area. KOFI ADOMA, a whole lady way pet and a wedge Nayreno.
We are all trend, ya trend, not trend in the right direction. Someone say, ya call your lawyer, Samson, large and yenny.
Mempene buy. I moved on and lived with another so in a house bought by miracle.
Busia, you mean now by a notice GTV so. But more than subscribe button so no me notification icon so Eddie Amaye. And the video be about one thing when you're quite Ashley Eddie Amaye. Now Mobeka and Chibi video be concerning a KOFI ADOMA. I brought in the birthday. I and a wife, I a friend miracle. I be surprise no. True surprise ni munu. KOFI ADOMA be can simbi a trimu echo. Say even crano and a wife current wife you no was here for a miracle no and high diamond no crano am utumi ko fall bad ni betim and any better da and the account na sanse mu nyina babonten no eye one lady bi dey screenshot any odi bi babonten be can say KOFI ADOMA any unknown ne friend our atnapping na friend no onene KOFI ADOMA first wife I don't know wamba. Amen. Na so KOFI ADOMA hu sa ba we friend miracle no. KOFI ADOMA jais a woman tena ho. Emma to that no kwa ma woman nya mental problem. Ndi sa odi ba bonte no eye amfo Rebecca won sem be kan say oh when say KOFI ayen ni yi. Ba ne KOFI ba abato na san no mutu aka say obi asem ba munsunka. Mon train na munji nchiremu ansa na maka. Mo de mo yenkon kuti de KOFI kan ye. Ne egotie KOFI kan wi a ewia na etie eye dia na ya Brefo so e kan e damase
nipa ye nimpan
me entina omo de kɔ no so na low self na me say there is esteem or no esteem o de me de munni matemo me de me entina me ka asem me nkwase asem bi amadi me no me jitum se madin kwase asem ba nyame adom. Sometimes when I'm thanking God, I'm sure Ghana. So Ghana ha oyo ba na onyim na wanyia. Ebe tu asen wa sorry.
Yeah.
But say we year obetumi atena so wa communion.
Ayo bibia.
Ghanaians don't want to see you tell them you have sinned.
Yes.
Ghanaians want you to cover your sins
and condone the sins.
Oh, okay. Me I was bold to say because it is my past. And I don't ever have a plan so I'll revisit my past. It is my past and I am happy where God has taken me and where He is taking me. Yemeka che onyina say obi asembe ya tobo e say bebre no amo bre e wo mu wiase amoba ye because you just jumped into conclusion. You put somebody in unnecessary pain and because of that you are suffering. Asembe ye tie mu ye pa ye tie. That day I didn't get the time to explain the whole story because not time in the whole. So what you have, you can put one or two together. I told you Miracle was there. Miracle has been married since. Even with that, because of I moved on and lived with another so in a house bought by Miracle. Low self-esteem. Go and ask the number of people minister ba ko hia me no say Kofi na de waye de wanya de na me say minister na de asema I say Charlie you've taken my woman na me say I never knew. You know ministers and you know say we say
Ntebusia say wutie nsem wa ye de Kofi kan ya sanity it at times and semi babontin e say etumi twen na agi nchiremu asana yaka moment dey na ya Brefo so kan about Kofi issue ya on also throw fire or throw bomb towards that lady now this her voice note no buy no moment go ti dey on so e ka fa ho
birthday ankasa ni afen na birthday ni Friday
we are chopping the birthday the whole week the whole month
and na say mu di an no
what you say you to me top Kofi come on dey be di bi pa na e be ko sports aba what you say asem no nim na ni so akawa no to what you obi de na wa tie ba ko de a ya twa so because Kofi ya kura no we are fault yeah me ne ya teri ene kwame na ene e di watam de na asem ketwa
hey
you get it na kwa we kura de no no a nti sa de ye no nti wa di da no sa de ja oba udi ja oba ba hat sa de ye no say nim na ni so ya kasa sa no mo ye o say ya ye tietie mu hu na ni so ye ye hu say ya kura ya bodam kasa ba hat enti mu nam periphery am nim de mo keka na mo church say mu ti say de mu ti fie obi no look unti obi aware asem a ya twaso we pretend ya trend na trend na right direction say one thing ya kon real lawyer Samson lad anyenene bet ya sem na see the wife a very good woman on na yira danfo
What you are asking about? Oh, I thought Miracle. Kofi's wife is a very good person.
Wife.
Oh, Adam Miracle. Oh, what's the meaning? Say Adam Miracle. No, yeah,
Debbie Kofi.
Oh, Kofi's yere. Oh, wonderful person. Wonderful person. Oh yes, what a very nice, very wonderful person.
Very wonderful.
Look at the way Kofi is laughing. You think that Kofi can laugh and she's not good? If the woman is not good, when Kofi comes here, the whole studio will be on fire. Unim yiri fie good wa uba juma bese. Oh, juma de bese.
What attitude cry?
You be ni baby oh Kofi ada yesterday o dawe. Because ube who no face no cry be change. Huh?
I tell you be say be pain.
Your chew is big. Which was the meaning? What's the meaning of what?
Time ago na Kofi enu nya fe. But na say na numa
ye fe. Oh, but he always smiling.
Very open and
that shows yes very
more
nice,
lovely.
Yes, the wife is a very very nice person. Very nice person. Yeah, so Kofi is blessed. So in your next life you marry her again.
Amen.
Bam.
I received this prophecy.
Bam.
I received this prophecy.
Bam. Obi akara no to why? Uni mu ankasa. I will share obi. Unim said there's one person that I thought was very rude. Ocheno na ba na mo.
Okay.
Or you'll be on Crawford can was and pan and ambassador him born or channel and that dear Ben. Look, if you don't come close to that lady, oh, a bear say, dear okay kind of sanity, and your force get close to somebody and Sawakan was him. When you be a ending pudding poo, who ye, and you're possible so bet me who obia. But at least give everybody that benefit of the doubt. Answer, where be one waka will be as a man who share that. Oh, them say. When ya kasa na mukasa do wait and a Roman for will be baby and I'll be a friend confession ubekwa ko hu sofo no waka che na na father so I am from so on mompaye ma na won ko hu biom so sanity wait any idea bit me ama wo watcho ho afim because once you've confessed it, it's very difficult for you to go back to it. A lot of people have been in it, and yet in a good situation. I wouldn't be happy. Me many just am worried I'm gonna go for baby aba and them. But it's see what me fear pain. Then 2 million in ton train. I am from so. Wajatu. Apacho. E nipa. Ye dem from so che. It's say. Yesu Kristo ebe wuje ye nkwa ye boni bebrebe ye boni tantan boni a ye yesie obe wuje ye nkwa se be ya ye boni obetimi dia cheye enu nti ne ye kwa asore se ye ntumi fo obi boni nche no na ye be te se we no ebi nsi da se we ye sofo se we ye lawyer ni se we ye centroni se we ye role model se we ye role model whoever you are we are human ye nipa de dikan ansa nipa bi de tumi bi ahye yensa ana adwuma bi de tumi bi ahye yensa but de dikan se ye nipa enti sofo tumi ware na waye mistake na wa tire ware we don't crucify them if they confess admit their fault na almost bonifacha one hwan adasa woye netia obewu akofom se won fanje na wo bekeka ho nsem nya atwom ena wo ye ho ntine ye bre wo Ghana ye how nyira no because the politician is afraid to even come and tell you the truth, so they go about finding ways to defend things that are indefensible. Nearby my young decisions be on my taking papa. I respect as a males for what they did then. Now look, maybe I can't one-time premium. I would say, yes, because I'm no, you ain't to me fun yet. Technocrats, na catch and say, eh, ye, intimate to us. Yaka, waka no credit so, get the check. Let's learn to teach our children to say the truth. Let's educate them to let them know this. They are humans. Wamunye niya to obit me a phone. The trauma, omit me ya can correct near to an among. So we all heal and move forward. Good afternoon. More multiple high and answer self-esteem was wrong. Yeah, more fancy high here. Yeah, more fancy jaguar. Namon Petra Saku Daibi and Tinam. Yeah, Mumpe cream and find your more person. Why? No one now smooth. One might be some man, or back up a subato, and so go suitable. One more. Yeah, be our software. One can acquire fast war. Yeah, take away. As a crew, I told you near Boadam. Say about Boadam, Casabahat. If you don't know what you're talking about, shut up. Why? Yeah, Kawanitum, Unim the Okaka, Trasho. Unim Nipa, Casabahat, bad. Then I'm social media. Procranema 2x4, but you feel you have self-esteem. You are better off. Sir, Omo, when you could know, almost woman that yea. Oh, Omo, the can say. Everybody has a story. If you cannot tell your own, keep quiet and be that hypocrite in that corner. Everybody has one. Learn to tell your story. No being fenya nyansade. No being fenya bibi papa wom. Na ye mwaye honi yen kanu krendi ne kore. Tina mpenyi fo nkanu krendi le. Ye na ye pendro kata ne maso. Ye bram so. Entumi minu kore mai. Na ye bre. If you are able to open up and tell the truth when the truth is needed, this country will move forward.